In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change admin in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Workspace website. Simply open your web browser and type in workspace.google.com. This will take you to the homepage of Google Workspace, which is Google's suite of cloud-based productivity and collaboration tools. If you're not already signed in, ensure that you log in using your administrative credentials so you have the necessary permissions to make changes. Once you are on the homepage, spot and click on the admin console. This is your control center for managing the different aspects of your organization's account, including user roles and privileges. It's here that we'll be making adjustments to admin assignments. When you're in the admin console, locate the dashboard of Google Workspace. This dashboard provides an overview of your account settings, including various administrative tools at your disposal. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted with it. Next, find and click on Directory within the dashboard. This section is where you manage your organization structure, including user details and directory settings. You'll want to navigate to the Users option here, as this is where you can see a list of accounts within your organization. Once you've clicked on Users, you'll have a list of all the users associated with your account. Scroll through and select the specific user you wish to assign as an admin. It's important to closely verify the user account to avoid granting administrative privileges to the wrong person. After selecting the user, you need to move forward by clicking on Admin Roles and Privileges. This section allows you to assign and modify administrative privileges for the user you selected. Admin roles can vary in terms of scope and access, so it's crucial to ensure you're granting the appropriate level of access. Within admin roles and privileges, pay attention to the assigned roles. Here you can either add new roles or adjust current ones. If you're assigning a new admin, choose the appropriate roles, confirming that they align with the responsibilities the user will be taking on. Remember to save all changes before exiting this section to ensure that your modifications are applied. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully managed admin roles on Google Workspace. Be mindful that maintaining a secure and efficient admin structure requires ongoing attention, so revisit these steps whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to better manage your organization's Google Workspace account.